Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. And from today, we will start our new concepts or a new chapter. So now today in this, I have solved in my previous class about word problems. Word problems we have solved. Word problems means story problems. In the story, they will be given explained the story, and they will tell to add, because this is our addition story. So in addition story we will just add, but now I have solved this in the previous class. Now today we will solve the next story problems, that are three I have solved in previous class. From that, fourth one is, at a park Anand saw 27 dragonflies and 14 bees. How many insects did he see altogether? This is the question. This is the story. In a park, one boy Anand has saw a dragonflies. Okay, these are the dragonflies. You will tell it as an aeroplane, na? Okay, this he has saw of 27 were flying and 14 bees, and they are asking us how many butterflies or dragonflies and bees he has seen altogetherly. He has seen, they are asking us. So now we are going to calculate all together, means both we will calculate. So here, at a park Anand saw 27 dragonflies. I have to write here in words. The solution should be, the answer should be in words, explained. Okay, in the word problems, our answer should be a sentence. In a sentence we have to write dragonflies. How many dragonflies he has seen? Dragonflies. How many dragonflies gets? 27. Right here, 2 in tens place, 7 in ones place. And 14 bees. Bees how many? B-double-E-S. Bees. How many bees? 14 bees. 1 in tens place, 4 in ones place. So now calculate. 7 plus 4. How much? 11. 1 is here and 1 will be in the tens place. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 1. 4. So here we will write 4. 41. So total insects. How many insects are total? 41. Now Anand saw 41 insects in all. Means you understood, kids, how to solve the story problem. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Read those story problems. Find the sum. Write the statements. Writing statements means, I told you, you have to write the answers in a statement or in a with the words. You have to apply here some indication words or a statement. You have to frame a statement. In a garden there were 34 caterpillars and 20 butterflies. How many insects were there in the garden total? This is the story problem for you kids. There are 34 caterpillars were in the garden and 20 butterflies. So in the garden, number of caterpillars. So it will be a long statement. So you can write easily caterpillars. How many caterpillars, kids? 34. So write 3 in ones place, 3 in tens place, and 4 in ones place. So now, and 20 butterflies. How many butterflies, kids? 20 butterflies. So write it, 20 butterflies. Now add, make it how many? 20 butterflies. Right here, butter flies. So now again what they are asked, how many insects. How many insects means altogether. How many? You have to calculate now. Total insects are, now calculate here. First add ones place. 4 plus 0. Answer is 4. If any number you add to the 0, the answer will be the given number. 0 has no value here. 3 plus 2. How much? 4. 5. Okay. So answer is 54. 50. Here you have to write 54 insects were there in the garden. How many insects were there in the garden, kids? 54 insects were there in the garden. Now we will go to the next now. Here at a park there were 15 yellow butterflies and 25 orange butterflies. How many butterflies were there in the park in all is the question here. Now these butterflies, okay, these are orange color butterflies and these are yellow color butterflies were in the park. So now you have to solve. At a park there were 15 yellow butterflies. Yellow butterflies you write first. Yellow, YELLOW, yellow butterflies. How many yellow butterflies are? 15. 1 in tens place, 5 in ones place. 25 orange butterflies. Orange butterflies. How many are there? 25. 2 in tens place, 5 in ones place. Now how many butterflies were there in the park in all? Means total butterflies. Total butterflies. How many are total butterflies? Now you have to calculate. 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 in ones place, 1 in tens place. 1 will be carried for next number. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So 40 butterflies were there in all. All together means yellow and orange butterflies. Totally 40. Okay, solve these story problems. There were 39 black ants and 36 red ants on a rock. How many ants were there in all? This in the rock there were 39 black ants. Kids, there were 39 black ants and 36 red ants. Okay, now here they have told you to calculate all together ants. Now here I will write the statement. Okay, red ants. First we will write black ants. Black ants. Black ants are 39. 3 in tens place, 9 in ones place. Now red ants. 36. 3 in tens place, 6 in ones place. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 in here ones place, 1 in tens place. 5, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So 75. 75 ants were in the all. All together how many ants were there, kids? 40, 75. Okay, now there were 17 lady birds and 23 black ants on a big plant. How many insects were there all together? This is the question. There were 17 ladybirds. 17 ladybirds. So you write here ladybirds. Ladybirds are 17. 7 in 1 tens place, 1 in 10th place, 7 in 1's place. Black ants. Okay. 23. Black ants. Black, here you write black ants. Black ants. How many black ants are here? Black ants are here. How many? 23. 2 in 10th place and 3 in 1's place. So now total insects. Total insects. Now calculate, kids. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10. 0 in 1's place and this 1 in 10's place. 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 4. Okay, 40. Now answer is 40 insects were there in all. 40 insects were there in all. Tick the correct option. This is the question. The sum of 11 and 26 is. The sum of 25 and 9. First you kids here make 11 and 26 plus add answer you find, and 25 you 9 answer you find here. The answer should be what? Greater than or less than or equal to. Here we will find the answer. 25 plus 9 answer is 34. Now here answer is 37. Okay, 37. This side, this answer is greater than. Okay, greater than, because the sum of means addition of 11 and 26 is 37, and sum of 25 and 9 we both added here. So after adding we got the answer is 37 and 34. Now here 37 is greater than 34, no? So now here you have to write greater than. You write here greater than, and when we double the number 50 we get the answer is 100. Very easy. 100. You here look, 50 plus 50, 0 and 10. Is it? Yes. Which number should be added to 34 to get the same number? I told you kids the property of 0. The number, whichever number you add to a 0, the answer will be the number itself. So now the question is, which number should be added to 34 to get the same number? For 34 what we are going to add then? Only 0. What is 60 plus 60 and 9 more? 9 more means you have to add. So 60 plus 9, answer is 69. The sum of 55 and 8 is. Same here, now what we have done before. 55 plus 8 you add, and here 59 plus 4. 59 plus 4, the answer is what? 63. Here answer is 55 plus 8. 5 plus 8 how much? 13. 3 here 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 63, 63. Then both are equal. Equal to. Answer is equal to. So kids, today we have solved the story problems of addition. I hope so you all have understood, and today's homework you to take a print of PDF and solve your worksheets. Okay kids, so we will meet in our next class. Till that, have a nice day and take care. PDF will be sent in the group. Take a print of PDF and solve.